Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
And yeah, don't worry, I won't put your face in there or anything. Oh, you watch, I'll probably fall off now. I'm probably just gonna walk it back.
Why you jinx yourself like that for?
Because I will jinx myself anyway. I'd rather drop it than fall off it. To be fair. Best thing I got was these levers. Beautiful. I should have listened to you before. Right, so anyways, thanks again, but I'll speak to you in a bit. Bye. So a big thank you to Welsh Biker again for assisting me. Basically helped with sorting out the indicators. So I got one there drilled in and one there drilled in. Show you, I'll have a walk around near the end of the video. I haven't ridden this bike in fucking ages. Oh, finally, fucking hell, get some speed on now. So again, thank you Welsh Biker for assisting me and providing a wonderful service as always. It certainly is a pleasure. Plus, so it's lucky we had the same similar idea. Take the indicators and just, yeah, avoid the mounting brackets and just drill into the plastics. I mean, some people might not have done that, to be honest, but the brackets were fucked. I would have had to get a new nut. Put my neck scarf back on as well, because I was taking a fucking beating and all. It was fucking chilly on the old willy. So I haven't vlogged in a little while. You wouldn't have seen any difference, to be fair, because I've been uploaded every week at least. So yeah, but you'll notice all the changes that have been made. Is the levers have been changed. I cannot wait for lockdown to end, just so I can go for a fucking group ride and shit. So I am sick of it. I am absolutely suck. I can't even speak now. I'm absolutely fucking sick of it, boy. I'm gonna piss myself soon. Woo! My bike is filthy, boy. Oh, banging tunes, boy. Fucking oily. Fucking diesel all over the fucking floor. I can fucking see it. It's rank. I wonder if that's police in behind me. Because they have all the fucking 4x4s and shit out now, don't they? Oh, I'll be entering the warm bit now. It's fucking cold up here. Oh, fuck off. I know where I'm going now. Not enough filtering time. The fuck? That song was shit. Oh, the clutch definitely makes it easier to shift with the shorty lever. It's not as, like, it's still tough to pull, but oh, he's a big wet one. Oh, I'm gonna piss myself. Oh, wonder if he clocked me going 40 now. Let's slip into the mist. Up we go. Bet you the canal's fucking not busy today. Guaranteed it's not busy. Bet you a tenner. This is another roofless fucking corner. People just ragged down here. Oh, I made it just in time. I'm gonna piss myself. See you later. See you later. What the fuck is this shit? Some of these songs are shit.